Hello and welcome to UiPath Apps. In this video, we're introducing this new component of our automation platform. You know the name, so let's talk about what it does and why it can make a difference in the way that you use automation. What you see here is not a fancy CRM system, but an application entirely built using UiPath apps, triggering automated processes in the most effective way. Here's how it works. Imagine that you're a contact center agent working for a bank. As soon as you accept a call from a customer, a process starts in the background and populates this page with data from 3 different systems. And it assists you in the customer identification process. At the end of it, you have a unified view of everything and anything that might interest you about the customer. Personal data, call history, products and services, as well as transactions. This will allow you to focus entirely on your main job, customer support, instead of navigating from one system to another. And once the solution is clear, the same interface enables you to start the appropriate action. This will be carried out by a robot for the customer that you've already identified. In a nutshell, an app enables human users to interact with automated processes effectively. And building an app has never been easier than with UiPath App Studio, our low-code solution. Every tab, button, icon that you're seeing here was built with easy drag-and-drop actions. To understand this better, let's take a look backstage. It all starts with business processes automated by RPA developers or citizen developers and executed by robots. You saw the way the application interface was populated with data. Well, that was, in fact, a robot running an automation and then sending data to the app. An automated process can take input parameters and then process them into output parameters. It may be easy to handle them for one automation, but in real business scenarios, a human user would work with many processes simultaneously. Imagine how hard it would be to handle all of these, triggering the processes at the right times and passing data between them, at the same time, staying focused on the conversation with the customer. UiPath Apps enables you to easily build a presentation layer, allowing you to trigger automated processes with the right input parameters and then to easily visualize and keep track of the outcomes of these processes. It even lets you build more complex apps that can handle the logic of working with different processes at the same time, just like in the example that you saw. The beauty of apps is that the development is based entirely on drag-and-drop actions and configuring visual controls, such as buttons and labels, binding them with the input and output parameters of the automated processes, and defining rules of interaction with these processes. In other words, low-code development available for business users, citizen developers, and RPA developers. It's quite a difference, wouldn't you agree? So, if you're already using the power of automation with processes automated by professional RPA developers, why not take them further with the power of low-code development? The UiPath Apps training will dive into each of these concepts presented earlier, making sure that you're ready to develop your own app. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.